Up for sale, I got a 1984 Suburban. It's a K10 factory 4x4 Silverado, finished in black with blue interior. Low 65,000 original miles. Gonna walk around it, tell you about the car, show you some of the flaws, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Like I said, 84 Suburban Silverado K10 factory 4x4, black paint. It's a repaint, and it's actually a high quality repaint for what you would find on a Suburban. Excuse me, kind of stuttered right there. Very deep, very high quality. I'm not sure how long ago it was repainted because there are a couple of flaws here and there on the car. So like I said, I will point those out. But for the paint itself, it is a very high quality job, and very, very pretty. Truck rallies, new Michelin tires. I have to assume it's original chrome, but the chrome's in very nice condition. You know, it is 65,000 original miles. It's a 4-owner car. Clean Carfax with no accidents. It's a little dent in the hood right there, a little tiny guy. You probably see it. But I mean, look at the mirror shine on this. All the glass is in nice condition. It's all tinted windows in the back. Show you those real quick. And I do have the original manual, and I guess you would consider this like the protective plate on a modern car. You know, sold new in Minnesota. There's the VIN, the date of delivery, and then I believe again right here selling dealer imprint. So McMahon Chevrolet Cadillac Inc. in Owatonna, Minnesota. I mean, I assume that's why you bought the 4x4, was to drive it in some nice cold climate. And the undercarriage is really nice. It's a very almost like near rust-free car. There are a couple of bubbles. I will point them out. But especially being low miles, it's very, very nice. Running boards. The guy I bought it from, he put these on there. You could take those off if you don't like them. Luggage rack. And then this wind thing, aerodynamics. I think it's kind of cool. But I mean, if you don't like it, take it off. You know, do what you want with it, have fun with it, enjoy it. Personally, I wanted to keep it and turn it into a fishing van for myself, throw my stuff in there. Dad disagreed. He said, no, you can't keep it. Ugh. Okay, well, little chip right there, little mark right there. That's nothing. That peeled right off, actually. There is a little rust bubble right there. Like I said, there are only a few bubbles on the car, but it's there, and it is not here, because there's no rust there. And the bottom of the door is nice too. There's no rust coming through. I will have pictures of those on the ad. Nice blue door panel. A little bit of fading, you'll probably lift your arm up there. Carpet's in good condition throughout. Nice, like a vinyl bench seat here. Nice condition, that's definitely been replaced. And here's a dash. 4x4. The blue is nice paint. Definitely got an upgraded radio in there. Some kind of different style. Because I had an 85, and that's definitely not what the 85 had. There you go, there's the odometer. I know you can't read it, but 65,104. Like I said, original miles. Being a Silverado, power windows and AC. The headliner on the car is excellent. I'm always a big fan of nice headliners on cars like this. You get that tendency that they'd rip and, you know, crumble up over time. And then onto this door here, 2 little scratches here. I'm not sure what happened. Probably something rubbed up onto it. Other than that, you know, really no other flaws on this. But here, I think I missed like a couple of touch-ups maybe on the door jamb, getting in and out. Opening up the back door. Again, blue door panel, power windows, nice. Can you see that? It's a little dark and sunny out here. And then you got probably an original bench seat here. They left the original like a cloth and vinyl combination with the blue carpet. Again, I'm sorry, it's a little dark. I'm trying to get as best as I can here. There you go. A little something there. There's no rips on this seat. There's no rips on the front seat. Dual exhaust. It's a rebuilt 350 actually with headers and dual exhaust. Top of the car is nicely painted just like the rest of the car. Barn doors in the back. Nice chrome. Trailer hitch if you want to tow something with it. Another little bubble right there. I know I got the kind of close back here so I can't keep it open, but I will hold it open for you. There's a rear AC compressor. This one I can open. I got the original antenna and the carpet for the spare tire holder compressor, and then for whatever reason it's missing the carpet that goes over the rear wheel wells. But the carpet here is nice. Again, the headliner's in real nice condition as well. I'll have a better picture of this on the ad again, where I parked it. I didn't leave myself a lot of room to get around. Probably the original rear bumper as well, in nice condition. No bubbles in this area, just like the other side, there were no bubbles there. It definitely looks like it was undercoated from the factory. And I know they're susceptible to rust in this area, but there is no rust here. And I know on the other side, if I'm not mistaken, there is no rust here either. I lost my balance. Again, mirror finish right there. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links to both will be in the description of this video. Check it out if you have any interest in it. Really small bubble right there, and a little ding in the door, and then just a couple little like scrapes right there, like something brushed up against it. Like I said, it is a 84 Silverado Suburban 4x4 K10. Black with blue interior. 65,000 original miles. Again, super low miles on a Suburban. Clean Carfax, phone out for owner. Rebuilt 350 headers, dual exhaust, automatic, obviously. Have any interest, reach out to us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. I'm going to wrap up the video real soon, fire it up, and then we'll drive it, take the rest of my pictures, and then put it for sale. And then lastly, one little rust bubble right there. So that's it. You got the one on that side, that little one, this one. Real clean, real good looking, really. Black blue Suburban. So here you have it. Fire it up and drive it. Thank you. All right, we're gonna fire it up now.